You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A brand name of cognac, rather reputable. So how do you say it? How would we say it in France? So that's the letter A, the brand, or I couldn't find what the A here stands for. I guess it's a name, but absolutely couldn't find who that's for. Even the brand itself doesn't say what the A stands for. So A de Fussigny, Fussigny. In English, if you cannot pronounce French perfectly, you could say A de Fussigny, or in French again, A de Fussigny. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.